हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं एंड यू वांट डेली स्टडी व्लॉग्स, इधर यू आर preparing for CAT 2025, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell notification icon on करना ना भूलिएगा। So guys, it's 13th of January today and it's 10:30 in the morning, and today I'll be starting my prep for CAT 2025. That is my first day for preparation. So I would say for this month in January, go with the basics. And if you want to know in detail what is basics for CAT preparation and all, then just check my last video and last vlog. I've already told everything what should we cover in the first month. So yes, now I'll be starting with today basics. For now it's 10:30 and till 11:30 I have just an hour for preparation. Then I'll be getting ready and leaving for my classes. So yes, I'll show you my day routine, how I'm preparing and all. So now I'll be preparing for an hour. I'll do some basic maths and all. Then in classes I'll tell you after I come back what I have done today, and then after coming back that I'll let you know in the evening itself. So yes, now I'll be doing tables. For the tables, I have taken out this book, fresh book. I'll be starting this today with from the very first page because I believe in the childhood method of learning and writing. So I'll be writing all the tables till 30 and then learning and writing side by side because I believe in writing method for tables and all. So I'll be doing tables till 30, squares till 30, cubes till 15, and in this 1 hour I'll most probably try to cover all of these. Then I'll let you know after an hour how much I've completed and where am I. So now I have successfully completed my tables, squares, cubes and some multiplication practice. So this is it for now. Now I'll be continuing after I come back from my classes. I'll show you when I'm going. Yes, it's 11:30 right now. So yes, now I'm leaving. Tada!
So basically this is what my look is for today. Actually I'll fill this bottle from downstairs and keep it in bag. So yes, I'll meet you after I'm back.
So now it's 8 o'clock guys, and after coming back from classes I had some work, so I was busy into that, and I got late in the classes today because I was enrolling. There was a little bit of counseling and all, so I came back by 6 o'clock and then I got freshen up and some relaxation, and then I had for some work, so I did that. And now I'm finally back. I'll be studying for 1 or 1.5 hours. So basically now I'll be practicing of English. So first of all, I'll be doing first session of word power made easy, and it's very important because I told you it helps us to recognize and get familiar with few new words, and also it's very beneficial for our practice. So first I'll be doing it, and then I'll be doing first RC of the PDF that I have shared you yesterday from IMS sectional, BRC sectional, and I have shared this PDF in the last blog, in which there are times RMS and CL, VRC sectionals, LRD icons. You can practice your all the subjects from there. It's very helpful guys, and let's see how it goes. I'll let you know once I'm done. And so yes, that's it for now. I'll be doing this VRC for 1.5 hours, like 1 hour, because that, and word power made easy, that section I'll be writing and practicing new words so that I can remember it. And then this RC, let's see how much time it takes, and I'll let you know once I'm done. So yes guys, I have completed Word Power Made Easy session 1. So this is how it looks. And it's already 9 o'clock now, so I'll be taking a break. I'll be going and having my dinner, and after that I'll be doing RCs and whatever. I'll let you know. So meet you after having my dinner. So hi guys, it's quarter to 12 now, and I was actually busy into something, so I was not able to continue my study routine. But tomorrow I'll be having a holiday for Sankranti, so I'll be continuing this vlog tomorrow. I'm not ending it here. Maybe tomorrow I'll work hard. I'll study today's remaining one RC as well as tomorrow's all the things whatever my plan will be. I'll let you know in it continuously. Like I'll continue this vlog tomorrow. So that's it for today. I'll meet you tomorrow in this vlog only. So now guys, it's 14 Jan and 10 o'clock in the morning. So now I'll be doing that first RC that I was gonna do yesterday, but I was into some work so I didn't do it. So now I'll be doing that RC first, and then I'll let you know what I'm gonna do, and after that what. So let's see. Let's go with that RC first. So yes guys, it's almost 11 o'clock, and it took me almost 1 hour to complete this RC because I first read the full RC. The words that are given is like very little tough words because it's hard to understand this RC. It's like cat level RC, so it will be good if we start preparing it from now. So firstly, I did the whole RC with full understanding. Then secondly, I went para by para. I searched the meanings of hard words that I didn't understand, and I wrote it down in the book itself. And then I started solving the questions slowly and slowly. Like I took much time so that it doesn't get wrong, but still one went wrong, one answer. I was confused in between two options, but yes, I'm almost correct now. So yes, it is worth preparing like this. But also, I'm thinking to start reading maybe the New York Times or something kind of, for articles or something, just for gaining new words, and it also tells us the current affairs and all everything. So yeah, I'm thinking I will be starting the Times or whatever. I'll let you know. Now I'll be taking a break. I'll have my brunch, and I'll meet you after that, and I'll let you know what I'm gonna study further. So guys, it's quarter to 12 now, and now I'll be doing some maths practice, and that is tables, square roots, cubes, and all. Whatever I did yesterday, I'll just repeat it once again so that it becomes fixed in my mind. So let's do it. So guys, it's 12:30 now, and I've completed my maths practice today. So that's it for now, क्योंकि ज़्यादा पढ़ने से भी दिमाग खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए I'll take a break now. अभी मैं I'm gonna watch series. अभी मैं I'm gonna start from. आपने देखी है क्या? मैंने उसके बारे में बहुत सुना है. So I'm gonna start it. Series का नाम From है. It has 3 seasons, and each has I guess 8 or 9 episodes. I don't know. I'm gonna start it now. Let's see what happens. So I'll be now continuing my studies in the evening. Again, I'll be doing some English. So yes, I'll let you know.
So yes guys, finally I'm done with my today's target planning. After that, I just did one some passage again. I also feel, I can say I just read some word meanings and did some practice of the work that I've got yesterday in the classroom. And after doing all this, I just start watching that From series that I told you, and I'm binge watching it because I like it so much, and I'm watching it in English, so anyhow it's also helping me to improve my English. So yes, if you like my vlog, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and bell notification icon on करना ना भूलिएगा. So that's it for now. Bye.